Do you want to start playing Airsoft? Do you want a fine looking black gun just like me? Then the CM.619 is for you. Hello, welcome to Airsoft Sweden. Today we're going to review the CM.619 from CYMA. This Airsoft replica is not based on a real gun, it's just some weird M4 model. The whole gun is made of plastic except for the barrel and some internal parts that is made of metal. The gun weighs about 2.7 kilograms. The whole gun is 81 centimeters long, but the internal barrel is just 39 centimeters long. The gearbox is a version 2. The Airsoft has 1.56 Joule, which makes it very good for outdoor play. The Airsoft has 410 FPS. This is the magazine, and this is how you pull it out. Press this little button, pull it out. And it's a high cap magazine that's entirely made of plastic, and it can hold up to 380 BBs. Because it's a high cap magazine, you have to scroll on this little wheel under the magazine to get the BBs into the gun. Included in the set you get a 8.4 volts NIM battery, and you open this to get the battery out and then pull this off, and here you have the battery. The connector type is also small Tamiya. Here is the selector switch, and you can switch between safe, CMA and full auto. To change the hop-up, you pull the bolts back, and then you can turn on this little wheel right here to change the hop-up. To pull up the iron sights, you just press this button right here and here. To get them down, you push in the button, hold it there, and then manually push the sights down. Included in the set is the replica, the magazine, the battery, and a charger for the battery. You can find this gun on Taiwan Gun for about 160 euros. Now let's go out and test shoot it. Let's shoot it in semi. Let's shoot in full auto. I hate high caps. I hate high caps because you have to scroll all the time, but yeah, it works quite well. I do not have bad aim, it's just I can't really aim with the iron sights on this gun, but if you're blind or something, it works very well. Thank you for watching, and if you like this content, please subscribe and leave a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments.